We get a lot of comments online that our stuff is expensive. And frankly, I couldn't agree more. But there are reasons. First off, it's the most amazing beer dispensing machine on the whole planet. It's a money-making machine. It's a customer service bettering experience machine. It's amazing. You can set all 10 beers, as 10 tap unit, set all 10 beers down at once, walk off, make some cocktails, grab a food order, check IDs, check Facebook, whatever. You're not stuck there pouring beer. But there's also more reasons. When you're looking at a faucet-based kegerator, you are looking at a shell of a kegerator. It doesn't come with everything you need. It doesn't come with keg taps. It doesn't come with CO2 regulators. It doesn't come with a lot of stuff. You got to then source that stuff and then get somebody to put it all together for you. And it's just a mess. This comes plug and play. There's just a couple, you need cold beer, you need a CO2 tank, and then you need to configure it for however you want it configured. All of that is inside of here. You could, with this unit, as it sits right here in front of us, you could go to a bulk tank, or you could have your CO2 inside the cooler. You could run your drain inside the cooler. You could run your drain outside the cooler. All of it's right here, and all the tools you need to do it are also right here. Let me show you. So, this right here, we call this our quick kit. It's a kit of goods that you need to set up your kegerator. You've got your CO2 regulator. You've got your CO2 regulator wrench. This thing's awesome. It hangs right here on your CO2 regulator. So you're not looking for a wrench every time you need to change a tank of CO2. It's right here waiting for you. It's really awesome now that it's stuck on here. Awesome. You've got this tool, this little multi-tool right here is everything you need to do everything on the kegerator. You've got your wrench for adjusting your regulator knob. You've got your wrench for tightening the security nut down. You've got your wrench for putting your casters on if you ordered casters. It's awesome. That's this. How cool is that? It's for doing your hose clamp for your final connections on your CO2, right there on the end of that wrench. So clever. You've got your plug for plugging the hole if you want to pull your drain back inside. This goes right in there. It's like it never existed in the first place. You've got all your cup couplers. And then you've also got very clear pictures showing you what everything is. No faucet-based kegerators coming with that. Now what I want to show you is something I'm very proud of. Nobody is doing anything even remotely this cool. Look at these clamps that hold the beer lines and the CO2 lines together, keeping everything nice and tidy. It's already going to get to be, it just doesn't matter what you do. The inside of a kegerator becomes a little bit of an octopus just because of beer service, right? Changing kegs, they get all twisted up. What we do to help you is we number the lines. We've got these awesome CO2 clamps. Now, I'd like to point out that the industry standard for putting these together is zip ties and electrical tape. Zip ties will hurt your hands. The little nub on there will hurt your hands, and electrical tape gets all gooey and gummy and gross. And it's just in a hurry too. This doesn't happen with this. We do this. We do red, blue, red, blue. And that really helps your brain identify which line is which, you know? That and the numbers. And if you look back here, you've got your CO2 manifold also very clearly numbered. It's just so nice, so elegantly put together. Lots of attention to detail. Here's another one. Here's just another little thing that makes our kegerators so much better than everybody else's. Keg tap wrench right here. You need to change from an American tap to a European tap? We got you. It's right here in the door, ready to go. No looking around for a wrench to do it. So yes, our kegerators are very expensive, but they're not even close to comparable to a faucet-based system for all kinds of reasons. Right now, oh, and I can't forget, our systems come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you are not happy, you have 1 year and we will give you your money back. We've been offering that for 12 years and not a single person has taken us up on it. Right now, we're offering 36 months, same as cash financing, and free shipping on every kegerator. So I believe we have eliminated every roadblock there could possibly be for you to offer the best customer service in the whole wide world and be way more financially awesome. That's what Bottoms Up can do for you, and we are here to stand behind it 100%. Order yours now. What are you waiting for? Now, order it now.